Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to gather various resources for your kingdom on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and after you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to your kingdom. Now, from this homepage, you will first need to install various different infrastructures and build them as well as upgrade these infrastructures. And if you wish to gather more resources, just tap on the map icon at the bottom left corner, where you will first be asked to enter your username. Now, once you are inside the map menu, you will see various resources that are available scattered throughout the map. If you wish to gather them, you will need to send your troops. Just tap on whichever location you wish to send your troops to, and then tap on the gather button. You can then auto-select your hero, or you can tap and manually choose as well. After choosing your hero, you can enter your desired size of your troop that you wish to send into this expedition. After you have chosen your desired troop, make sure that you have enough might if there is any enemies nearby. Finally, tap on the deploy button, and now your troops will be deployed on this gathering mission. Once your troops reach the location, they will begin gathering the resources that you have chosen. After they gather, the troops will then return back to the home base. And in this way, you will be able to mine and gather various resources required for your kingdom. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to gather resources on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.